Welcome to Wonder World. I'm your storyteller. Today's story is The Lone Wolf and the Moon Path. One night, young Lira wandered too far from her wolf pack and suddenly realized she was lost. She was frightened, but instead of running around, Lira remembered an important lesson. Stay calm, trust your senses, and never give up. She followed a familiar scent through the moonlit forest. Then she heard it. Ah woo! It was her pack. Lira followed the sound and finally found her family waiting for her. Want to discover Lira's whole journey? Watch the complete story. The link is in the description.